Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by making sure the widget is declared resizable. Check the app widget provider info XML and set resize mode to horizontal, vertical, or none. Once done, open the widget layout XML and the app widget provider XML so you can change min width and min height values. Make sure to use DP for measurements and match the launcher grid. This guarantees predictable behavior. Now modify the min width/min height to approximate cell sizes, then save and rebuild so the system picks up the changes. Next, refine the widget's internal layout so it adapts to size changes. Use constraint layout, flexible margins, and wrap content where appropriate. Because Android maps DP to home screen cells inconsistently across launchers, test several min width/min height combinations and iterate. Meanwhile, update your app widget providers on app widget options, change to read new options, bundle values, and call update app widget with alternative remote views for different sizes. This ensures content rearranges logically. You're controlling both declared size. Finally, rebuild and deploy, then manually resize the widget on different launchers to confirm behavior. Once done, verify on app widget options, change triggers, and inspect the options bundle for min width/min height and span values. Update code paths to pick the correct remote views. Make sure configuration activities handle orientation and preserve state. If it still misbehaves, provide a compact fallback layout and a larger layout alternative. As a troubleshooting tip, log the span calculations, mismatched DP to cell math,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.